Welcome to the MOS Courier booking process. To begin, click on the New Couriers button. This will open the booking form in a new tab. On the Orders page, enter the sender's name, mobile number, and address details. Don't forget to select the pickup date and time. Once done, click on Next. Now, enter the receiver's name, mobile number, and address details. Click on Next to continue. Next, provide product and box details such as the box name, weight, length, breadth, and height. Save box. You can also add product information like product name, SKU, category, weight, dimensions, price, and tax. Once entered, click Add Product and then Save Product. Review your details and select Yes if you require proof of delivery. Choose your preferred delivery option and click Next. You can now review the complete order summary. If everything looks good, click on Place Order. Once the order is placed, you'll see additional options to generate a manifest, download labels, create an invoice, track orders, or even cancel if required. Thank you.